Wake up early. Good morning, Alex. Time to wake up.
Oh, it's so early, I'm still sleepy.
I know, but waking up early makes you feel good all day.
Okay. Just 5 more minutes.
No, Alex. Get up now. Breakfast will be ready soon.
Alright, Mom. I'm getting up. Wow, the morning sun feels nice today.
Take a shower.
I feel so sleepy, I need a shower.
A warm shower will wake you up.
Yes, the water feels so nice. I feel fresh and ready now.
Get dressed.
What should I wear today?
Something comfortable is good for work.
Okay, I'll wear this blue shirt and jeans.
Perfect. Don't forget socks and shoes.
Got it. I feel ready for the day.
Go to work.
I'm ready to go to work now.
Drive safely, Alex.
Thanks, Mom. I will. Traffic is a little busy today. Finally, I made it on time.
Morning coffee break.
I need a coffee to start my day.
Hey Alex. Want to join me for coffee?
Yes, please. I really need it. This coffee smells amazing.
Yes. A small break always helps in the morning.
True. Now I feel more awake.
Visit a friend's house.
Hi, Mia. It's so nice to see you today.
Hi, Alex. Come in, come in.
Thank you. How have you been?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine. I just finished my morning coffee and work.
Let's have some tea. I just made it.
That's great, thank you. I really like visiting friends. It makes me happy.
Cook lunch.
I'm hungry. Let's cook lunch.
What will you make today?
I will cook pasta with vegetables.
Sounds delicious. Do you need any help?
Yes, please. You can chop the vegetables. Cooking is fun when we do it together.
I agree. It smells so good.
Wow, the pasta is ready. Let's eat.
Relax in the evening.
Finally, the work and cooking are done.
You worked hard today.
I'll sit and relax for a while. Maybe I can read a little book too. This is the best part of the day, relaxing.
Watch videos.
I want to watch something funny.
Okay, what should we watch?
Maybe a funny show or some videos on YouTube.
Sounds good. I love watching funny videos.
Haha, that was so funny.
I know, right? Laughing makes the evening better. Go for a walk.
The weather is nice. I want to go for a walk.
Take a jacket, it's a little chilly.
Thanks, Mom. I will. Walking feels so relaxing. I can hear birds and see kids playing. This is a perfect way to end the evening.
Call family.
I should call Dad and check in. Hi, Dad, how are you today?
I'm good, Alex. How about you?
I'm fine. I just went for a walk.
That's great. Don't forget to eat dinner soon.
Yes, Dad. Thanks for reminding me.
Keep calling us every day. We like to hear from you.
I will, Dad. Love you.
Love you too, Alex.
Buy groceries.
Tomorrow we need groceries. I will go today.
Hello, Alex. What do you need today?
I need milk, eggs, bread, and some vegetables.
Here you go. Anything else?
Maybe some fruit too, please.
Sure. Here are apples and bananas.
Thank you. That's perfect.
Prepare dinner.
Now it's time to prepare dinner.
Do you want me to help?
Yes, Mom. Let's cook together. Cooking together is fun and faster.
And dinner smells delicious.
Yes, let's eat.
Go to bed.
I'm very tired today.
Time to sleep, Alex.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Alex. Sleep well.
Today was a good day. I will sleep and be ready for tomorrow.